Hai teman-teman di Paradise Channel. Kali ini saya lagi siaran di Radio Erlisa dan di sini sudah ada partner siaran saya, ada Bapak Nurain. Hello, good evening Mr. Nurain.
Evening, everybody.
And also this is Amir.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. So, Mr. Nurain is one of our teacher in English club, and you know that I love his English. He has a good English. I don't know, but I love the pronunciation because how to learn English, sir, to make easy. And I like your sounds like native. So how can you explain to
Not
us?
exactly quite like native.
Uh-huh.
You can start imitating.
Okay.
Imitating somebody you think good the way they speak, then try to imitate.
Mm-hmm.
Try to make copy how to say something, and then you try by yourself, and you record it, and then you listen by yourself,
Uh-huh.
and try again, and then you try to let somebody else talk to you, and then how ask them how do I speak.
Okay.
Then it's like that. Try to imitate.
Okay.
When you meet and talk to a native speaker, then just pay attention to what he say, the way he say.
Okay.
That's what I do. What I did before.
Okay. So copy what they say. Maybe we can learn by YouTube or
Yeah,
listening
video,
or anything. Yes, video.
Video.
But you also ever been staying in US? Yes, right? How many years, sir?
Yes, I did.
In Miami.
I did. I stayed in U.S. 4 years.
4 years
4 years, yes, and
for working there.
yes, working. I've been working there, and coming home every year, so 4 times going back.
Okay.
That's
So that's where like you have fluent English. It's you expert, and I like your style, how the way you speak with us, and I like your pronunciation. It's like I
not
like
exactly
it.
imitate. Let's just let it, similar maybe, but not exactly
Okay.
same. Similar, but
Similar.
not
But we
exactly
have to
same.
practice, right? We have to
Of course,
practice.
practice is the important thing. The most important thing you want if you want to be perfect in your English speaking.
Okay. How about you, Amir? Amir is the young man to study in our club, in GEC club. So, could you explain to us uh, your experience study English? Because I still remember when the first you join in beginning that you still hard to learn English, but now you are uh, fluent to speak English. It's very good. So maybe you can share to us your experience.
Okay, first of all, I'm not quite the youngest the study English at the community, and
Okay.
yeah, I try to find out how to describe all of those. At first, I wasn't able to speak English,
Yeah.
and I started learning because my sister forced me to do so. And I remember at the time I stepped my foot on at the GEC place, and I kept thinking if I come here again and again, I think my English will improve. And I did that. And after years of studying English together with GEC and
Yes.
learning from home,
Yes.
I can be more better in English and more confident, definitely.
Okay.
Even now, I became tutor at the education agency.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's it, I think.
Okay.
And additionally, English helps me a lot in my working and to conduct certain event at my village.
Oh, okay. So you feel that uh, by English you get easy to find a job?
I'm not saying easy,
Yeah.
but I will have valuable point
Okay.
if the competitors are not able to speak English.
Okay.
So I can perform well, and
Mhm.
I will have more points. So there is more chance
Oh,
to be employed by the owners.
I
So
see.
English is helpful without hesitation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you practice also with the Western people when the I mean some buyers when visited your company.
Yes, I did. If there is buyer visited Jepara and the buses doesn't accompany the buyer, so
You will
usually I'll
assist them.
assist to accompany and to accompany their tour in
Mhm.
the city, and I am happy to do so because as the someone who is from the city and also as representative of the company. And also, yes, I did.
Mm.
I practice more. Uh, yeah, all of those help me to build English ability right now.
Oke, jadi itu ya teman-teman tadi pengalamannya kalau Mr. Noren tadi praktis ya. Jadi kita menirukan apa yang diucapkan sama native-nya orang aslinya Jepara, aslinya ya. Misalkan dari Amerika. Jadi kita menirukan logatnya atau mereka dari British kayak gitu bisa menirukan logatnya kayak gitu. Jadi kita harus praktek apa yang mereka ucapkan kita praktekkan. Jadi by the time English kita akan meningkat gitu. Jadi kita bisa mengerti, terus kita juga bisa mengucapkan dengan bagus. Terus tadi kalau Amir tadi juga ya English sangat membantu ya, terutama di hal pekerjaan Amir ya. Ya jadi kalau orang-orang Jepara itu biasanya memang apa bahasa Inggris sangat sangat dibutuhkan ya, karena kota kecil, kota Jepara itu banyak dikunjungi oleh turis-turis asing yang mempunyai bisnis yang ada di Jepara. Dan kita ini lagi break, jadi sebentar lagi ini kita akan mulai masuk lagi ke radio karena ini lagi break, jadi kita ngobrol-ngobrol santai aja. Oke, kita lanjut nanti. Thanks.
Appreciate for Shihab doing that.